Hi, this is Daryl Madison coming to you from Madison Tax Service. I told you I'll be giving you an update on the new tax reform for 2017. Congress has already passed the tax reform and it's going to the Senate as we speak. But more importantly, the corporate tax rate has dropped from 38% to 20%. And there has been no change in the loopholes for the corporations. So in fact, corporations can pay down to 11 to 5% in taxes because they have loopholes that allow them to write off many things that the average person can't write off. The middle class will be affected by getting a tax reduction for the next 2 years. However, it's not a locked-in reduction. Corporation is locked in, but middle class is not. Also, if you have a mortgage or a house worth more than $500,000, the mortgage interest rate that you get reductions on your tax return will cap at $10,000. Good news for people that are, or families that are making under $25,000 a year and have children, the tax credit for your children will go up by $800 per child. So that's the good news. What's important is if you have a business on the side or you have a LLC or getting a 1099 miscellaneous, okay, whether you're an Uber driver, a hairdresser, a trucker, car salesman that's selling warranties, anyone that's getting a 1099 will be paying more taxes unless you open up a LLC. Now don't hear me on delay. Understand that LLC costs no more than $120 to get started, your LLC. But it allows you to pass through your expenses, like your car expenses, your cell phone expenses, your uniform expenses, your supplies, your gas, your travel, without being scrutinized by the IRS in a Schedule C. Now, the IRS is getting more involved in scrutinizing home-based businesses because that's where the country is going to. They're going to direct marketers, people are having businesses on the side, and they are able to write off those losses. But if you don't keep good records, if you don't treat yourself like a business, you're going to be scrutinized and probably be audited. So please, if you have any questions about starting an LLC, give me a call or go to our website at madisontaxservices.com. So I'm going to give you a little bit information on what's going on with the taxes, and I'll get back to you right after we show you what's going on with these taxes.
In this bill, so let's begin with the good stuff for Americans filing personal income tax returns. This bill reduces the number of tax brackets from 7 to just 4, 12, 25, 35, and 39.6%. And it generally lowers the rates under which people are taxed now. The bill roughly doubles the standard deduction to $12,000 for individuals and $24,000 for couples. And it boosts the child tax credit from $1,000 to $1,600.
For businesses, this bill slashes corporate tax rates down from 35% to 20%. It also slashes rates on pass-through businesses in which owners report their earnings after expenses as personal income to just 25%. It taxes corporations on U.S. income only, not worldwide income, the way they're taxed now, and it gives businesses immediate write-offs on the full cost of new equipment. But these big giveaways to corporate America have to be paid for somehow, and the tax writers do it off the backs of middle-class families. The bill limits deductions on new mortgage interest and property taxes. It gets rid of deductions altogether on state and local income taxes, student loan interest, and high medical expenses.
So I don't know how we call this thing a program, a bill for the middle class.
That information on MSNBC will give you a little bit more understanding of what I'm talking about with the tax deductions and the tax credits that's being proposed to the Senate right now. But if you need any more information about how you can protect yourself and get better tax write-offs by starting a business. Like if the business, for example, if the businesses are the ones that's getting a tax write-off, don't complain about it. Be about it. Be about the businesses that are going to get a tax deduction. Lower your taxable income by registering your business as a LLC, a limited liability corporation, and stop procrastinating. Do it. It's only $150, depending on what state you're in, on the average, around $150 to get yourself a single or multi-member LLC. It really helps out. And if you have children, over the age of 12 years old, stop paying them allowance. Pay them a paycheck. It reduces your taxable income. Paychecks are expensive. And it also teaches your child how to be responsible with their funds. This is money that would be normally coming out of your pocket to pay for your children. And they are doing chores. They're taking care of the grass. They're taking out the garbage. They're going to school. They're doing their homework. Whatever they're doing can be business related. They're helping your business. I was working for my father when I was 12 years old. So it's a tax deduction from you. Up until $10,000, they have no tax obligation with the new law. Prior to that, it was $6,000. So set yourself up with an LLC. If you have children, don't give them an allowance. Pay them by payroll. Put them on payroll. That'll save you a lot of money. I'll talk to you later. If you need more information about the new tax reform, give us a call or hit us at our website. Talk to you soon. Take care.